How to create zipper effect in Canva.
Step 1. Select your image. Place image on the canvas. Adjust size. Step 2. Remove background. Go to Edit Image and click on Remove Background. Step 3. Go to Edit Image. Select a duotone color of your choice and click Apply. Step 4. Go to Edit Image. Select a photogenic color of your choice and click Apply. Step 5. Go to Elements, search and select a zipper. Step 6. Place zipper on photo and download as PNG. Step 7. Upload image back to Canva. Step 8. Go to Background Remover, click on Background Remover. Next, click on Erase and erase the interior of the zipper. Step 9. Place the zipper image on the original image, and adjust to fit exactly on each other, then group both images. Step 10. Use a blending element and technique to blend the zipper with her hair to give the image a professional look. Step 11. Add a background of your choice, and design as per your creative taste. Step 12. Add a title of your choice to your image and position it as per your creative taste. Step 13. Add signature and some layers. Download as PNG and share. Thank you.